This video will show you how to replace a non-return valve in a whale socket. The 4 screws must be unscrewed as shown, then carefully pull off the blue plate. Ensure not to disturb the plunger and spring out of its location, otherwise the clamping ring and clamp may fall down. Inside the blue plate, you can see the non-return valve. Using long-nose pliers, remove the non-return valve as shown. Ensure all surfaces are clean within the area where the non-return valve will be replaced. Secure the new non-return valve into place as shown, ensuring the stem goes through the cartwheel center hole. Pull the stem carefully until it clicks into place. Before replacing the blue plate, ensure the O-ring, cap and clamping ring are in place. If necessary, use a small amount of silicone-based grease to hold the clamping ring in place. Once all parts are in place, push the front plate towards the back of the socket and hand tighten the 4 screws before securing them into place. For more information on our products, please visit whalepumps.com.